Understanding, at the height of mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and commonly used phrase in English, at the height of. This phrase is not only popular but also adds a layer of sophistication to your language skills. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it. At the height of is an idiomatic expression used to describe a peak or the most intense or successful period of something. It's often used when talking about careers, events, or even historical periods. The key here is understanding that it refers to the zenith or the most outstanding point of whatever is being discussed. To better understand, at the height of, let's break it down. At signifies a specific point in time. The height refers to the topmost or ultimate level. Of connects the phrase to what it is describing. This structure helps in identifying when and how to use the phrase appropriately. Now, let's see how at the height of fits into real sentences. 1. At the height of his career, he was unbeatable. 2. The city was at the height of its prosperity in the 18th century. 3. She visited Europe at the height of summer. Notice how it emphasizes the peak time of different scenarios, be it a career, a historical period, or a season. A common mistake learners make is using at the height of to describe something that is physically tall. Remember, this phrase is metaphorical, not literal. It's about timing and intensity, not physical height. Understanding synonyms can help solidify your grasp. Some synonyms include at the peak of, at the pinnacle of, during the zenith of. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this video helps you understand and use at the height of confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, mastering phrases like this can really elevate your English skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.